Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're out by the Pinnacle Commercial Complex. This is a mall that's being built by the Pinnacle Development. Now when you talk about luxury in Jamaica, high-end luxury, Montego Bay is a place. Kingston, for all its glory, does not have high-end developments like what you have in Montego Bay. And the Pinnacle is the pinnacle of luxury developments. This development is 4 towers at 28 floors. Ultra luxury development. I think the starting price for a unit here is 600,000 US, somewhere in that region. And guys, they are selling. The last official update, which was sometime last year, 60% of the units were sold. When you talk about high-end malls, Montego Bay has them, and they do very well. This one is still under construction, although it looks very close to being completed. Now, this is going to be a part of the Pinnacle development, but you can access it two ways. One, by coming off the main road, and it's on the Bogue Road, just probably 30 seconds away from the Montego Bay Perimeter Road. So you can access the mall if you're just going to the mall. And then if you live at the Pinnacle, you'll also have access to the mall. So it is ideally located. It's 3 floors. And there you can see that building on the right, that's Tower 1, the swallowtail of the Pinnacle development. The structure in the middle is the parking garage, and the structure on the left, that is Tower 2, that's being built. Alright guys, so we're going to give you an update as to what is happening here at the Pinnacle Commercial Complex, and it should open sometime this year. The Pinnacle Commercial Complex, currently under development in the upscale Reading area of Montego Bay, Jamaica, is a key feature of one of the most transformative real estate projects on the island. As a commercial arm of the broader Pinnacle mixed-use development, which is valued at approximately US 350 to 450 million US dollars, this state-of-the-art complex is poised to redefine how Jamaicans and visitors experience integrated urban living along the country's northwestern coast. The Pinnacle Commercial Complex is being developed by LCH Developments as part of a long-term vision to create a self-sustaining luxury community that blends residential, commercial, and lifestyle amenities. Located on the Reading Peninsula, the complex sits on prime coastal land with easy access to downtown Montego Bay and the Sangster International Airport. The development has been carefully planned to provide convenience, economic stimulation, and modern services to both residents of the Pinnacle and the wider Montego Bay community. This commercial plaza is designed as a standalone facility, featuring its own dedicated entrance to ensure accessibility for the public. The project's mission is clear: to bridge the gap between luxury residential living and accessible community amenities while stimulating commercial growth outside the already congested city center. Spanning approximately 3,800 square meters, the commercial complex will house a carefully curated selection of retail shops, dining establishments, essential service providers, and offices. Among the expected tenants are a full-service supermarket, a pharmacy, cafes and restaurants, financial institutions and bank branches, and boutique retail stores. Importantly, this commercial center also acts as the anchor for the rest of the Pinnacle development, which includes 4 28-story residential towers, a private marina, and a luxury clubhouse. As the first component scheduled to open, the commercial complex is setting the tone for the quality, accessibility, and lifestyle the Pinnacle intends to deliver. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright, guys, have a good day.